to bring it back to our industry of film and television, I think there's wonderful use cases for using AI in certain capacities.
Right.
Um, when we're talking about the business side of things, there is room for it in limited scope, I think, in terms of like taking uh, timelines on certain things
Right.
and progressing them faster. Um,
I always think that scheduling something that given the ridiculous amount of people
mhm.
and limitations to people's time, that would be
Data
fascinating to see how
wrangling,
that works. Yeah, well, that too.
data
Yeah, yeah.
wrangling, taking large amounts of information and putting them into concise pieces that we
Mm,
can look at. I think that can be very helpful. But it's like, you set it's the a million what is it, a million monkeys at a million typewriters, and
right.
and you're gonna get something. That's what this generative large language models are.
Mm,
You might get one Odyssey out
mm,
of however billions of opportunities, but you're really not going to get anything of value that I think
mm,
really speaks to what we are. Again, I'm very hesitant to in terms of like the access and privacy and all those things of because those are ways to be sort of exploited from a tech side of things.
mm.
I think Silicon Valley has become the new Wall Street in terms of how we see it as society.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like it was the hope of the future, and now it's
Mm,
become the same sort of the evils of Wall Street that we looked at in the 80s. So
yeah.
the what we're sort of um, setting us up for sale of ourselves, I think, is got to be looked at too. So I think it's such a human issue.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like just even the discourse around it is so human, and it breaks down to like what is important to us.
Mm,
And it's like I as much as I'm tech forward, I also think I'm a bit of a Luddite in certain ways, which is not a bad thing. But it's
yeah.
like I go to the grocery store, I can do a self-checkout, or I can go to a person who's checking my groceries. I go to
Right.
the person who's checking my groceries because I want them to have a job checking my groceries. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
wow.
As
Really?
opposed to going to a machine that always screws up something that I then have to wait to call somebody over. Like this is not efficient. It's not a
Right.
better thing for me. And at the same time, as I can ask, hey, how's your day? I
Mm,
can ask that of that person. I can have a human interaction that has value. It's like, was it Kurt Vonnegut tells a story of going to the store to get a stamp.
mm,
And it's like, well, just buy a roll of stamps. He says, what if I buy a roll of stamps? I don't have a reason to walk down the street and bump into the person at the store and like put it on the thing and then walk down to the mailbox. It's like the
mm,
process gives purpose. Having everything instantly right for you is purposeless. And then what are we doing with ourselves?
mm.
So I think the finding a way to use AI in the process of things will give it value, but
Right.
AI is not the process.